Hey everybody, this is a Signal Model 1639 16-inch Deluxe oscillating fan. This is also known as the mixer fan due to the styling characteristics of its motor carry handle, which runs front to back instead of the typical side to side. And these fans were made from 1938 into 1941. This particular example here was made in 1941 according to the first three digits of its serial number, the E41 sequence that you see here. Now this fan belongs to a friend of mine, and what we're going to do in this video is take a detailed look at it. So enjoy the sequence of detail shots that we have coming up, and I'll be back afterwards. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing an up-close look at this rather unique and uncommon signal fan. Please be sure to check out the other videos in this series on the reassembly and demonstration of this machine. Thank you for watching, and of course we will have more videos to come, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned, and please be sure to like this video as well. Later!